This is the RockBros Bike Bag. It is waterproof and it installs right on your back cargo rack.
Oh yeah, that's on there sturdy. .40-ounce hydro flask. This is the big one. One of the big ones. Oh yeah, I like that.
Right here, I'm just giving you an idea of what you can strap to the top of the bag. They've got these little elastic bungees, and you can get a lot of stuff under them.
All right, you open it up. Everything's orange on the inside. It's got a nice little pocket there on the lid. Pretty good little bit of space right there. Comes with a couple of dividers you can put in there if you want to divide your stuff up. All right, this right here give you an idea of how much room is on the inside. Get a pair of shoes in there and still has a lot of other room that I can stuff things inside. All right, the top, semi-hard to protect your stuff, as well as the side bags. It'll add you a little bit of protection there.
There is a lot of room on these side bags that just fold out. You can get a lot of stuff in those.
Here's a large hooded fleece sweatshirt. Went in there with no trouble, and there is plenty of room left over for some other gear.
Here's just a shot of a drone. I circled the bike, show you what it would look like on the bike with my pannier bags let out. I really love this trunk bag. I highly recommend it.